Hi, I'm a DocuSign University trainer, and today I'll be showing you how to add authentication requirements for workspace participants. When managing a workspace, you can add both internal and external participants. Internal meaning the individual user is a member of your DocuSign account, and external meaning the individual is not a member of your DocuSign account. When adding someone to the workspace, you'll be prompted to plug in their first name, last name, and email address. You can then choose their level of permission. There are two levels of permission: participate and manage. With the manage permission, this is reserved for internal participants only. The manage permission gives the individual the ability to manage the workspace. They can add documents, create tasks, edit the sharing of the workspace, etc. But with the participate permission, this can be assigned to either internal or external participants. This permission is limited in that the individual can simply access the participant portal and complete any assigned tasks. Next, you'll notice the ellipses icon. This allows us to add authentication for the workspace participant. Adding authentication would require that the workspace participant authenticate and verify their identity prior to accessing the workspace. Authentication can be used for both internal and external participants. However, it's more likely that you would use this on external participants who are not members of your DocuSign account. I'll go ahead and assign phone authentication today and plug in a phone number. Now let's observe this from the external participant's perspective. They will receive an email notifying them that they have been added to the workspace, and in our case, they have some tasks to complete. They can click on the link to enter the participant portal, and they'll need to authenticate. They will have to authenticate using phone authentication. They can get a text message or a phone call. We'll do a text. And they'll be prompted to plug in the code. Confirm. Once they pass the authentication, they can enter the workspace and complete their assigned tasks. Adding authentication requirements to workspace participants helps to add a layer of security and protect the information you store in your workspace from unintended persons. You are now ready to apply authentication to your workspace participants.